Hey guys, I just want to show you the usable space in this 4114 KZ Venom. It's a very good sized space. The patio in the back folds in, but it stays on the outside of the inside doors here, so it's not going to take up any extra space. There is a washer-dryer connection. They run plumbing right here, so it does come out from the wall 3 inches here. Kind of takes up a little space. And up here, the bunk beds, the bottom one will fold down to the wall, and I'll show you the usable space there as well. So let me go ahead and show you the length of the garage. I'll go from the inside of the back door all the way up to the front, and that's going to be 13 foot 3 inches or 159 inches. Now your usable space wall to wall here will go on the inside of the track for the bunk bed. And you are looking at 94 inches inside to inside there. And now let me show you the bunk beds with them pulled down to the sides. Okay guys, you notice how these things fold up against the wall? You're going to love that. It's going to give you a lot of space. Now let me show you the distance between the two. You still have the distance under them there. These are as high as they go up. If you're going to go this route, it is 75 inches between the two, but it gives you a lot of height. And I'll show you the height with these up as well. It's going to be 91 inches to the top right there from the bottom. Alright guys, I got one more thing to show you. It's just the height here with one of these all the way up, and I will show you that shortly. Alright guys, the last bit of info here is from the bottom of the bunks with them raised up to the floor. Usable space will go to the bottom of this bracket right here. I'm going to say 79 inches from the floor to the top right there. And you do have vents back here, one at the top, one at the back right here. Also DVD player, stereo. It is Bluetooth compatible as well. You can listen to your own music off your cell phone, which is nice. And you do have speakers in the back as well. And this does have several air conditioners on it, so it does have one devoted for this area back here if you need a quick dump feature. Other than that, they will go through the entire air conditioning duct system together. It's a really nice track system too in this, so you can have all different configurations for your motorcycles, just like all the different configurations for these bunk beds here and sofas. We put big 4-seat razors in these things, a lot of space in it, and a really good quality unit. This is a 2-year full-time livable rig. It does have fully insulated enclosed underbelly, fuel station on it. It's a very nice rig, and we'll go ahead and show you the rest of it later on. Alright guys, welcome to the beautiful KZ Venom. This is a 2019 4114 TK. Measures 43 foot long and weighs 14,888 pounds, so you do need a big truck. But it is a beautiful rig. Fully heated and enclosed underbelly on this thing. Camp any season you want to. A lot of beautiful colors and design in the styling here. They give you a sectional with a sofa that pulls out into a bed. 2 theater seat recliners here, which are very nice and comfortable. You've got a nice big TV there with a sound bar. You've got electric fireplace there as well. So you also have storage up there, and it is a bunk bed for sleeping. It goes plumb to each end of the camper here, so it's really nice. About 8 foot wide long bed there, so that's pretty nice. You do have solid surface countertops in this rig. Stainless steel undermount basin. Nice faucet, pull down, that comes in real handy when you're out camping. You do have the propane electric refrigerator. It is Norcold, 18.5 cubic feet. Put several weeks worth of meat up there in that freezer. LED lights throughout the whole rig. Let me show you the kitchen. In the kitchen here, you're going to have a convection microwave, a nice big oven, and a beautiful arrangement for the top. Gives you tons of counter space having this nice. This solid surface countertop goes all the way across here, guys. Storage all under here, spice rack on top. Steel ball bearing glide system, guys, and those are 100-pound ball bearing glide systems. The drawer's built before the front's put on, so that front's not holding it all together. It's going to last you a good long time. Got some more storage underneath here. Here. And this is where your central vacuum is located, and that hose will reach every corner in this whole rig. Another little countertop space comes in handy for a coffee pot. Storage up here as well. And a great big pantry with an automatic motion light as soon as you open the door. Nice fixtures up top here. And all these air conditioners are ducted in the same duct, so they all go through the ducts together. And it is a quiet, cool AC, so the air conditioners are actually ducted above the living area here, ceiling, so that you won't hear that AC running the whole time, which you'll love that, okay? Also in the living room, I forgot to tell you, it does have a table that goes in those two mounts. Two tables, they're TV trays for both of those recliners there. Alright guys, let me show you the bathroom in the bed. I love this bathroom here, guys. You got a residential shower here, porcelain toilet, so that's going to last you a good long time. And it is a foot flush toilet. They bring the solid surface countertops into the bathroom as well as the stainless steel undermount sinks. You have storage underneath here as well as over here. And that's a nice big area for storage. And then you also have a medicine cabinet as well. Alright guys, let me show you the bedroom. Alright guys, you're going to really like this bedroom here. It's got a nightstand that goes all the way across the top like a headboard there with plug-ins on both sides, 12 volt on that side. You also have an extra nightstand here on the side there, as well as a king-size bed, storage underneath the bed. You've got a nice big TV in the back here, a nice huge arm wall here, store plenty of clothes in there. Also have your 4 drawers underneath here. And they're built just like the kitchen drawers, so they're really good solid drawers. Also storage underneath here, another drawer, and then storage over here for some more hang-ups for your seasonal changing. Also you've got more storage up here, and these are all the good hinges, guys. This is all good quality stuff here. As a matter of fact, this is a 2-year livable camper without voiding the warranty, which is rare, but it is a very nice feature to have. Another feature in this that I like is it has carpet only in the bedroom, so whenever you get out of bed and put your feet on the floor, it's not a cold floor. Other than that, guys, Bell Camper sells. Drive up here, we'll save you some money and get you camping.